Cosmetic surgery continues to get better and faster. In today's Healthy, Wealthy, and Wise, CBS 2's Dr. Holly Phillips brings us a surgeon who does a permanent facelift using thread in less time than your average lunch break.
When considering a facelift, the general anesthesia, pain, and long recovery time are enough to send even the most die-hard beauty enthusiasts running from the operating room. But now there's a much quicker and easier option. It's a variation of the thread lift that can be done in just an hour. With me today is the creator of this lift, Dr. Oleh Slupchynskyj. He's the director of the Aesthetic Facial Surgery Center of New York, and he's board certified in both facial plastic surgery and otolaryngology.
Pleasure to be here.
Welcome, thank you. So your thread lift can be done under local anesthesia with a minimal incision and permanent suturing of the muscle. Can you tell us more about it?
Yes, it's a small incision made around the earlobe, and there's a pocket made under the skin and fat, and the muscle is identified called the SMAS. This SMAS is then threaded with a suture, and it's sutured back behind the ear. This pulls the jowl up and also some of the neck muscle.
All of this can be done in just an hour?
That's correct.
So just over lunch you can pop in and have your facelift?
Pretty much, that's right, yes.
Can you tell me about the recovery time?
The recovery time is about 3 to 4 days. This particular patient that we're featuring, this is the before picture. She essentially went to her daughter's graduation the following day and went to work on day 2
That's
of the surgery.
That's an incredibly fast recovery. Now, where are her problem areas that you were working on?
Well, and her particular complaint was her jowls and a little bit of her neckline, and she's an ideal candidate for this procedure because of that.
She looks great here. How long after the procedure is this?
This is day 4.
Unbelievable. That's a really, really fast turnaround. Now, you say the surgery can be done with other facial contouring procedures. What would those be?
They can be fillers. You can do fillers in the nasolabial fold. You can do a blepharoplasty of the upper lid or lower lid. You can also do Botox injections, which are all pretty minor and non-invasive procedures.
Well, I'd like to take a viewer question. Philomena from Washington Heights asks, I'm 70 years old and the skin on my chin is the main problem. Is a thread lift okay for a woman my age, or do I need a traditional facelift?
Well, it's difficult to make an evaluation of a patient without seeing them firsthand, but I would say that age is not a factor as far as any kind of surgical procedures go. It's essentially the recovery time. With thread lifting, the recovery time is going to be much shorter. With traditional facelifting, it's going to be a little longer recovery time, but the results will probably be more permanent.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. This has been fascinating. Plastic surgery on the go.
Thank you.
And that's today's dose of Healthy, Wealthy, Wise. I'm Dr. Holly Phillips.